Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon Arceus on your Android device. First, you will need to understand that this process involves using an emulator, which is software that mimics a game console. It's crucial to select a reputable Nintendo Switch emulator that runs well on Android. Also, before you begin, make sure your Android phone or tablet has sufficient processing power and memory, typically at least 6 GB of RAM, to handle the game smoothly. Next, you will need the actual game files. This includes the game's ROM file and any required firmware files for the emulator to function correctly. It is important to legally obtain these files, ideally by dumping them from a physical game cartridge you own. Once you have these files, transfer them to a designated folder on your Android device, perhaps using a USB cable or cloud storage, ensuring they are easily accessible for the emulator. With your game files ready, install the Nintendo Switch emulator application on your Android device. After installation, open the emulator and navigate through its settings. You will want to configure options like resolution, frame rate, and rendering backend to achieve the best balance between performance and visual quality for your specific device. For controls, you can use the on-screen touch buttons, or, for a superior experience, connect a Bluetooth game controller. Finally, you are ready to launch Pokémon Arceus. Open the emulator, locate your game file, and start your adventure in the Hisui region. Remember to save your game frequently, both within the game's save system and by using the emulator's save state feature, if available. If you encounter any performance issues, revisit the emulator settings and try adjusting them. Enjoy exploring the vast world and catching many Pokémon on your Android device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.